Success Go Farms. These are the growers. These are the growers. There are about five months. These are the growers. The growers. These are the goats. Goats are pigs that have not yielded any or that have not given birth. Then these are this one is called the bull. It is a male pig. A male pig. This is the goat. Huh? This is the female ones that are about to born with a bull, a male pig. This is a pregnant one that is almost about to farrow or give birth to young ones. This is the cleaner cleaning the farm. Pouring down water for their body to be cool because it needs water. These are the pigs, and this is pigs that just gave birth. These are the piglets that are to be weaned at any moment from now. They are about 6 weeks now. This is the sow, the mother to the pigs, called sow. This is Success Go Farm. This is called the pen where the pigs are being kept. These are pens, small rooms kept, or that the pigs are being kept. This is Success Go Farm. It is located at Amaechi, Enugu, particularly at Topland, Amaechi, Enugu State. You're welcome.